Hey guys, welcome to another new video. This is Crypto Everything here again with a free airdrop video that is definitely going to be beneficial to you if you choose to. Okay, so today I'm going to be bringing you the favor airdrop that is soon set to launch. Okay, so if you join now, it's going to be uh, a big plus on your side. Okay, so many people have been on about the ZK Sync, Arbitrum, Optimism airdrop. They tend to forget some other smaller airdrops that are going to be, massive. They tend to forget and leave that for others to, claim the rewards. But today I'm going to be bringing that to you, and if you follow all the steps I give you, you are going to be happy you did. Okay, so most of you, before I continue, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and like this video right now so that you help me reach other people that are interested in crypto, just like you. Okay, so I'm sure that you heard of Lens Protocol before. Okay, so but if you didn't know before, Lens Protocol is a protocol that is on the Polygon blockchain. It is a composable and a decentralized social graph ready for you to build so you can focus on creating a great experience and not scaling your users. So basically what this is Lens Protocol acts like just the way it helps you own your craft and be able to show it anywhere. Like, let's just say, call it like a social media handle. Like if you have Twitter, your Twitter handle, on Twitter you can only use your Twitter handle on Twitter. But let's say for an instance, you are able to use your Twitter handle on every other platform, such that when you log in your wallet, that your profile is going to be available to every other wallet or every other platform, social media platform that you have. So you can use something like your Twitter handle on Instagram, on Facebook, and with the same qualities and achievements and everything is just going to be there on your profile. That is basically how the Lens protocol works, and it is on the Polygon blockchains. So before now, Lens used to be free. Okay, they used to give out Lens protocol handles for free, but right now it is selling at about $40 on OpenSea. All right, so this is OpenSea right now. As you can see, the floor price for this right now is 0.299 Ethereum. Okay, which is roughly about $40. It used to be free. You could have been able to mint this thing free around a few months ago, but right now it is selling at that price. Okay, now this Lens protocol has several apps that are built on it. Okay, and one of those apps is the Favor. So these are the list of apps. So just the same way you have Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, that's the same way you have all of these apps. Okay, and Favor is one of them, and they are going to be doing an airdrop, 2 airdrops actually. They're going to be giving you a whitelist spot for a free Lens protocol address or profile if you want to. Okay, so if you are able to get it, you're going to get a free Lens protocol. You can decide to either sell it on OpenSea or hold it, for it to actually make you more profit. And if you're using the Favor app, you're going to be able to convert your points that you're getting in the app for the new coin that are about to launch. Okay, they're not launching it right now, so you still have a bit of time, okay, to actually gather points for you, and they're going to be converting it at a ratio of 1:1. So whatever points you gather on the app is going to be equivalent to the amount of coins that they're going to give you when the coin actually launches. The app is already up and running. I'm going to show you that right now. So this is the app right now, and this is my profile. I just opened it quite a few days ago, or just a day ago, so I didn't find this on time. If not, I would have brought it to you earlier, but I'm still bringing it to you right now. It's the right time to participate. So easy thing, all you have to do is just download the app and start chatting just the same way you do on Twitter, and without getting paid. But this, you're gonna get paid. Okay, so I'm going to show you a post that shows you that they are going to be rewarding you on a 1:1 basis based on what you have gotten here on your Favor app. Okay, so this is from the Favor app. Okay, so this is what they're gonna or what they have to say. So any points earned before the launch of the token can be converted to utility tokens 1:1, and also qualify you for the governance token airdrop. So in early still pays off. So which means if you are able to start any points right now, you are going to be happy you did, because this is going to be very massive. Okay, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to do this, what you need to know, what you shouldn't do right now. So just follow me. Okay, so the link will be in the description below, so check the description. When you click on the first link, the app link, is going to bring you to the app. You have to download it, okay, from your Play Store, and you are going to need a referral code. It is very mandatory, because without that you cannot proceed. So I'm going to leave mine. You're going to use crypto everything underscore everything. That's the code. That is it will allow you to continue registering on the app. So once you have done that, you are going to appear here. So you're gonna have to set your profile just like mine is right here. It is relatively easy. So we'll just come over here and start to earn points. So you can see I have 57 points and I have 33 followers. I'm following about 9. Okay, so what you do here daily to get points is they're very easy. So first of all, you need to stick on create posts. Okay, so if you need to create posts, you need to like people's posts, you need to follow people's posts. And here one of the bottom things is this right here. There's a staking button. Okay, so for once you create your app and you are up and running, they're gonna give you 5 free points or 5 free coins to stick on posts each day. So for each post that is available, let me just go to my feed and show you something. Okay, so for each post that is available, you have the opportunity to either stake. So if you feel like this post right here is something that is going to go viral, if you are the first person to stake, so if you stake the coin right now, if I try to stake, I'm going to see how many people have staked before. So I'm the first person to stake here. That's what you're seeing, 1 stake here. So you have 5 to stake each day, and it is free. It's free of charge. So based on how many people stake after you, you're gonna get the points. So let's say somebody creates this posts, okay, and I am able to stake, and 50 other people stake after me. I'm gonna get so many points out from staking, from being the first person to stake. So whoever stakes after me gets less points. They are gonna get points, but there's gonna be less. Okay, so the earlier you get into staking on a post that you feel is going to go viral, because the more people stake, the more points you are going to get, and the more points the owner of the post actually gets too. So but if you stake on the post that doesn't go viral, you usually get 0 to very few points. Okay, so it's you are able to stake that 5 times a day, so you get free. So as you can see, I've exhausted about 4. It's just remaining 1 point for me a day. So once you do that, you're able to get points or get posts that are going to go viral. It's very easy to get so many points. Okay, so if you want to find groups where you can get posts, posts of people that can go viral, you can just search here, come over here, discover, and make sure you do follow me too. My handle is going to be here, crypto underscore everything. If you follow me, I'm going to follow you back, so that when I make a post, you can be the first person to put stake on it. And the more people that stake, the more points you're going to get. That is how easy it is. So I started this about yesterday, or I think 2 days ago, and now I've gotten some few points. Just post your pictures there, or post your videos. No, you don't post videos, actually you post just text and pictures right now. So if you can come over here and you can see there are premium topics. Okay, here if you want to post on these groups, these ones that have stars, you need some points to be able to post here. This is not, you can't post here free of charge. Okay, but if you want to post on these other topics right here, these are free of charge, and the most used platforms are the ones that come first. Okay, so as you can see, this random is more popular than the rest, more popular than photography. So this is how it goes. It just goes serially accordingly how popular it is. So if you open that, you're going to see posts that are submitted under this group. Okay, so you can find posts there, you can easily refresh pages. So make sure you are the first set of people, or the first person to quickly stake on the points or on the post, so that the more people that stake after you, the more points you are going to get. Those are ways for you to amass points, and you can follow people. I'm going to leave mine in the description, crypto underscore everything. Follow me, I'll follow you back, so that we do this thing together. All right, so sometimes it can be a bit slow. So this is my profile. If you just want to navigate to see how the posts that you have, sticked on, how they are doing, all you have to do is click on collection right here. You just click on this collection. It's going to take you to the list of posts that you have posted on. Okay, so as you can see, I have 8 posts that I have sticked on. So if I click on view, I'm going to be able to see all of the posts that I have sticked on, to see how much they have done right now, how much people have sticked on top of it after I did. As you can see right here, this is some of the posts that I actually posted on before. Okay, so I posted on this when it was just 1, so 5 other people posted after me, so I'm going to be getting more points for this. So the more people that stick, and this is going to run for as long as people find the post and keep posting on it, keep keep sticking. Everybody gets 5 sticks each day, free of charge. Okay, so and if you are able to stick on a post that is likely going to go viral, you're going to get many points. So all you just have to do is upvote a post, like it, and you can just comment on it. There's a comment post here. So the more you do, the more activity you get, the more points you're going to get each day. And the more you post, make sure you try to post as much as you can. If you can post at least maybe 10 to 20 posts a day, it's not hard to post. Just put a picture there, or you can just take a link from Twitter and put it here, right here. So you can see this is a Twitter link right here. This is a Twitter link. All you just have to do is copy a post on Twitter, just paste it here, and it's going to come out beautifully like this. You don't have to put in any picture. So this is a Twitter post. Okay, so very easy. So I'm going to leave my link in the description below, crypto_everything. Please follow me. If you follow me, I'll follow you back. And if you have any questions, just leave it down in the comment section below. I'm going to answer all your questions, and I will leave every link there. And I'll make sure you find this thing on time. If you found it on time, good for you. If you didn't find it on time, just subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified anytime I make urgent videos like this. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you another time, guys. Bye.